Today, we will learn how to record voice to make a ringtone on iPhone. Before we begin, you need to install the Ringtone Maker app and Apple's GarageBand app. Links are in the description. Once you're ready, launch the Ringtone Maker app on your iPhone. On the first screen, select the record audio option. Touch the red button to start recording your voice. Hit stop when you're done, and tick to confirm. On the next screen, rename your new recording. Then tap on Save to finalize the voice ringtone. Next, locate the tone on the app, and tap the three dots icon. Select the Install Ringtone option. From the pop-up menu, tap on Install via GarageBand, then select GarageBand. For the final part, your GarageBand app will appear. Tap and hold the custom ringtone once you see it. Tap on Share from the pop-up menu, and select the ringtone option. Then hit Export at the top right corner to create your ringtone. To set your new ringtone, select the Use Sound as option. And choose it as a standard ringtone. That's it. Download the Ringtone Maker app from the given link in the description below.